One of them are musty. Tyler, why are you coming over here? What is Joseph doing? He's musty too. It's the thick fat. Yes, I zoomed in on him. What are you doing, Joseph? He's so musty. Look at Joshua. Mad big for no reason. This is what you do when you're 15 years old. You play with little kids. And look at Naomi, 18 years old, and she over here playing. He's the biggest one. Do that line again, Uncle Gregory. Just do it a little bit to the left. I just got him running. Naomi's mad big, 18 years old. Don't kiss him, he didn't take a bath. You see bacteria on your skin. Didn't I tell you that earlier? Joshua, mad big for no reason. Joshua's mad big. Tyler, sit down. Naomi, smells can be deceiving. That's not bubble gum. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Now, on any other given day, Noella, as you can see, is wearing her school uniform. When it's raining, she wears sandals and tank top. It's finally summer, and today she has on sneakers, socks, and her school uniform. Her background. And Ethan is sitting over there. Ethan, you look retarded. Come here, Ethan. Ethan, run before you get in trouble. Stop. Why are you wearing that hat? Come here. Why are you wearing that hat? Why are you wearing that hat? It's a joke?
Not a joke.
Tell everybody how you took a bath this morning. Tell everybody how you took a bath this morning. You told everybody how you took a bath? And you got clean underwear? Say yes. You feel better? Show them your happy face. You feel much cleaner? That's good. Stop. Did you eat lunch? You ate snacks? Your underwear are clean? You feel clean? Let me smell you. You smell like soap.
Finally
No, I put him in the tub and I brushed his teeth this morning.
finally smells good. You see your nose?
He smell like soap. I put him in the tub, bubble bathed it up, got a little toothpaste on that toothbrush. He was like, it's itching. Yeah, he's like, it's itching. It's itching. I said, no, it's not. He was, yes, it is. He was screaming and crying. After a while, he liked the water with some toys in there. Right? You smell good. But My mommy made me go to Summer Youth today. Oh my gosh. The line was dumb long. Then this fat girl. Naomi, you know who I saw? Antoinette. Remix Respucia. Oh, I had tightened it because of Ethan. You can see it? I saw Remix Respucia. Antoinette. She has a nasty attitude. She didn't even get no job.
So when you washed them, it was people in the water?
Little people flying off of him. No, it was a little brown. It was a little brown. For 5 days with no bath. Why does he have on that glove?